We have a super chat. It's not so much a question, but we got Watercraft Shack saying, I want an STX 310. And right now, if you want an STX 310, you need to reach out to the guys at K-Speed, and they'll happily make you one for whatever their asking price is.
And that's something, I'm sure a lot of people are going to have questions about wanting this and wanting that. The one thing I want people to understand is when you write in, it does go to the right people. When you write Kawasaki, it does get, a lot of times, we can't do everything. And some of the stuff we get is like, really? But I just want people to know, though, that all those emails are sent to the product managers. So it's not like your email comes in and goes off to here. The product managers do want to see it, and they do look at everything.
Okay, well, that's great. That's good to hear.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.